Okay, guys, when you start your doodle design before you color it in, when you're just adding all your black lines, you're going to be doing it in pencil first, and then you're going over it with a Sharpie pen. But I'm just going to go with a Sharpie. So I put a little dot in the middle of my paper, okay? And then I'm going to do a line that goes from the dot to the middle corner, middle corner, middle corner, middle corner, middle, okay? Instead of making it straight, I'm going to make it curved. So I have this one that goes out and comes back in. Then I turn my paper. Same thing again. Out, back in. To the middle. Out, back in. To the other corner. Out, back in. To the top. Out, back in. To the corner. Out, back in. To the side. Out, back in. To the other corner. Out, back in. So now I have like a spiral effect. You could even do another dot here and make it do the same thing. Corner, middle, corner, middle, corner, middle. But watch what's going to happen this time. Out, back in. 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 So now you have all kinds of crazy lines going, okay? Now, in the one I made, I did it differently, okay, where they all went, I just did one set, like this. Middle, dot in the middle, middle, corner, middle, corner, middle, corner. They're not exactly going to the middles or the corner, that's fine. Now, next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to add, I just added bumps that go up away from the middle. So they went up, they looped up, just like in this one, it loops up. This one I might make it go down, and down, and down, and down, and down. And this way, if you do it this way, instead of going up, you go down, it looks like a web, kind of. And that's okay. And then in each one, I don't know, I'll do like a circle. Now remember, you're doing them in pencil first. Then you're going to go over them with Sharpie. Then in each one, I'm going to do a circle inside. In that circle inside, I'm going to do an X. Then I'm going to do, oh, I don't know, little lines going all the way around it. Whatever I do in one, I have to do in all the other ones. Okay? If they don't look perfect, who cares? It's a doodle. Okay? And once you're done with that, doing all those, then you make another layer. So maybe I'll bow out on this one. That looks pretty cool. Okay, and on these, I'll do something different. For some reason, I'm thinking of a cloud. And then I'll do clouds all the way around. Now I'm going kind of fast so you can see this. Then on the inside of those, I'll do something else. I don't know. Maybe I'll do a star. So I'll keep going out from the middle until I fill in my whole paper. And you know what? I'll go back in and I'm going to do something around those. I also did mine in pencil first on this one, and now I need to go back and erase those. Okay? Once you're done, the next step is to color it in, where you use 3 or 4 Sharpie markers. You're going to get to use Sharpie markers to color this one in. Okay? You're going to be using Sharpie markers, so I wouldn't have big areas. Like this, I'm going to make in a small area so I don't have so many big areas. Okay, not all the time will we be using Sharpie markers to do this. Sometimes we'll be using just regular Crayola markers. Okay, or you can even use crayons. If you do it at home, you use what you have. You could use markers. You could use crayons. You could use watercolor paints. Whatever you want to, whatever you have. Okay. All right. Very good. All right.